Welcome to a quick tour of the PH Maths YouTube channel. Everything you'll find on this channel is completely free. Simple explanations, serious results, structured video revision across GCSE Maths and also now biology, physics and chemistry. 50 short maths explainer videos, one for every key term on the higher paper. Each one gives you the definition, the key insight, the common slip to watch out for, and a quick worked example. Everything you need in about 3 minutes. There are 16 number in focus videos, one for each whole number from 0 to 15. Each covers powers, multiples, patterns, and where that number shows up in the exam. Perfect for regular weekly warm-ups. 16 non-integer videos covering the fractions, surds and constants that pop up all over the syllabus, from a half and a third right through to pi, e and the golden ratio. 50 biology explainers following the exact same structure: definition, key insight, common slip, quick example, covering cells, enzymes, respiration, genetics, homeostasis, ecology, the full GCSE biology map. 50 physics explainers, from scalars and vectors through forces, energy and momentum, all the way to waves, electricity, magnetism and the natural grid. Every core term you'll meet in the exam. 51 chemistry explainers, atomic structure, bonding, the periodic table, quantitative chemistry, chemical changes, energy, organic chemistry and the atmosphere. Small chunks, exam focused. That's 233 videos, all completely free on YouTube. And if you want the practice questions to go with them, fully worked, ready to print, the mastery workbooks and the revision planners live at phmaths.com. See you there.